Did your Bulgaria Air flight get delayed, cancelled, or did you miss your connection? Don't worry, you could be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and easy process to claim compensation for any disruptions with Bulgaria Air flights using Compensair. Trusted by many travelers, Compensair handles everything, so you can sit back and relax. Let's get started. First, visit Compensair. Although you can search for it online, it's best to avoid phishing sites by using the secure link in the description of this video. Once you're on the site, input your Bulgaria Air flight details, such as your departure and arrival cities, flight number, and the date of your flight. You can find all this information on your e-ticket or boarding pass. Next, you'll need to provide your personal information, your full name, email address, and any other details required. Compensair guarantees that all your information is handled securely. Once you've entered everything, review your details to ensure accuracy, then click Submit to send your claim. From here, Compensair will manage the entire process, communicating with Bulgaria Air to secure your compensation. All you need to do is wait for an update. Once your claim is successful, you'll receive an email notification, and the money will be transferred to your preferred payment method. And that's all. Claiming compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed Bulgaria Air flights is easy with Compensair. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.